Hello everyone and welcome back to another video and another review. So today we are diving into the world of smart home security as we unbox and review the INFIYA wireless video doorbell, a feature-packed device designed to keep your home safe while making communication with visitors more convenient. Before we get started, I want to mention that this doorbell was provided to us by INFIYA in exchange for a review. While I do appreciate their support, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever, and my review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased. So stick around as we explore everything that this smart doorbell has to offer. First, with the unboxing, as you can see inside the box we have the INFIYA video doorbell, a mounting bracket, a chime, screws, adhesive backing plate for easy installation, and also a quick start guide. The included chime runs on 3 AAA batteries and supports multiple ringtones and adjustable volume, ensuring you never miss a visitor whether you are in another room or outside in the backyard. Setting up the doorbell is quick and easy. You can mount it using the included screws for a permanent installation, or as in my case, I used the pre-applied 3mm adhesive backing plate, which is perfect for renters. And in my case, as I'm renting, this feature is really straightforward and easy, as you can place it in the wall or anywhere else with no problem with the strong adhesive backing plate. So once installed, simply connect the doorbell to the INFIYA app via the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and you are ready to go. Now let's take a look at the camera's performance. During the day, the 2K resolution delivers sharp and detailed footage, giving you a clear view of your doorstep. At night, the 4 infrared LEDs and high sensitivity PIR sensor provide excellent night vision, ensuring clear visibility even in low light conditions. Once motion detection is enabled, the doorbell will automatically detect movements and send real-time notification to your phone. The recordings are securely stored in the cloud, allowing you to review past events at any time. And one of the standout features of this doorbell is the instant video call function. When someone rings the doorbell, you receive a live video call notification on your phone. With just one tap, you can see, hear, and talk to the visitor using the built-in two-way audio. The voice changer function is a unique touch as well, letting you modify your voice to sound like a deep-toned male or a funny character, great for added security when answering the door remotely. And the AI-enhanced human detection system helps filter out false alarms from passing cars or animals. You can customize the detection sensitivity to reduce unnecessary alerts. When a visitor approaches, the camera records a 10-second alert video and sends an instant push notification, allowing you to check who's at the door. The battery life of the camera depends on the selected motion detection sensitivity, alert intervals, and alarm duration. Inside the app, you can adjust these settings to balance power consumption and security coverage. Features like live streaming, cloud storage, and frequent alerts may affect battery life, so users can fine-tune these settings for extended usage. Another great feature is device sharing, allowing family members or friends to access the doorbell via the app. Up to 4 people can view the live feed and playback recordings simultaneously, making it a perfect security solution for households. And to enhance security, the doorbell has a tamper-proof alert. If someone attempts to forcibly remove the camera, an instant alarm will sound and you will receive a push notification on your phone. This ensures that both your home and the doorbell itself are always protected. At the end, I would say that the INFIYA wireless video doorbell is definitely an excellent addition to any home security setup. With 2K ultra clear video, AI enhanced human detection, and two-way communication with a chime, it ensures you never miss a visitor while keeping your home safe. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about this great doorbell camera. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this review useful and helpful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best video doorbell for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos, and I will leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and take advantage of this great doorbell and all that it has to offer. See you in the next video. Peace.